In this video, I'm going to show you how to use universal joint at mechanical mates. So I will just start by creating an assembly. And in this assembly, I will be working with a layout. So I will just specify my layout part. I will just draw something simple. So this is how it looks like. And I'm just going to make these two lines equal, and that's it. So now I'm going to insert the components I need, and I have here the parts. And I'm just going to drop them in my working sheet. And I'll start with mate. I will just make these as concentric. So it rotates around this axis, if I can say so, and move vertically. So now I will do the same with the other part. So now I'm going to make these parts, these surfaces. Now I have this advanced mate, and I will choose width so I can center it right in the middle of this body. So we have the tab reference here, and as soon as you click the other reference to, it just finds its place and moves right on the middle. So I just made these two surfaces as well, and this is how it looks like. Now I have this component, but it says that it's fixed, so I'm just going to change that, and I will click float. You first got to right click and then just find float. So this is our other mate, and now I can just make these surfaces together. So we have this type of body. I'm just going to make another one. And I will just make these surfaces again. First parallel and then coincident. So we have this type of construction here. So we are basically done with this one. Now we have here our distance of layout specified here, and if you want, of course, you can change that. Now I'm going to explain you the universal joint. I just have that all of the body that was in between all of the parts removed. Now I will just click these two surfaces. And now, as you can see, after applying universal joint, as soon as the one of the bodies moves, the other one moves the same as well. And now I'm going to show you how you can change your layout. You can, of course, specify the length, the degree, whatever you like. At this point, the length doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to show you how to change the degree, and it's pretty easy. And now I will just click at the rebuild command, and it's all done. So I just suppress the universal joint, and I will rotate this body so the holes on these parts will be kind of the same. I just changed the display style, and I'm just trying to make these two like more parallel. And you can change the angle how many times you like. Then don't forget to click rebuild. Either way, the changes won't appear. So this is it. It's all done. Now I'm just going to unsuppress the universal joint, and this is how it works. So when one body moves, the other one moves as well.